Acne Introduction.
Point to the sebaceous gland.
Choose one of the following options.
Correct. This is the sebaceous gland, where sebum is produced. The main factor that contributes to acne is high hormone levels.
Select true or false. Correct. Male sex hormones called androgens increase in both boys and girls during puberty. More androgens lead to enlarged sebaceous glands, which means more sebum is made.
Acne could get worse if the skin is not clean enough.
Select true or false. Correct. Dirty skin and greasy food do not cause acne.
The black color on a blackhead is due to dirt.
Select true or false.
Correct. A comedo that reaches the surface of the skin and opens up is called a blackhead. The black discoloration is not due to dirt. The purpose of acne treatment is to cover up lesions.
Select true or false.
Correct. The purpose of acne treatment is to prevent scars. Acne treatment also aims to reduce the number of lesions and minimize embarrassment caused by acne. People with acne should scrub their face at least once a day to keep it clean.
Select true or false.
Correct. People with acne should wash their skin gently with a mild cleanser once in the morning and once in the evening.
Thank you for using Explain.